Hey guys, I'm Karen. Welcome to today's video. Today we're tackling one of the most trickiest Chinese characters, and it is 就. I'm sure a lot of you have seen videos explaining the usages of this character, but still it can be quite confusing. Therefore, I summarized 4 most commonly seen cases of 就, and hopefully after watching this video, you guys can use this word better. But first of all, I want to say that 就 does not equal just, okay? And after getting rid of it, we can start today's video. The first commonly seen cases is when 就 is used to indicate something has happened too early or the time is too short for something to happen. When stressing that something happens too early, let's have a look at some examples. 她18岁就当妈妈了. She has been a mother since she was 18 years old. So in this case, you're stressing that 18 years old is too early of an age to become a mother. 我们从小就是好朋友. We have been good friends since we were young. 这件事我上星期就告诉你了. I have told you the thing last week already. So again, you're stressing that last week is already an early enough time for me to tell you this thing. Case B is to stress something that happens shortly. For example, 才几分钟我就饿了. It's only been a few minutes and I'm hungry again. So in this sentence, you're stressing that this few minutes is too short of a time for me to feel hungry again. 你先走，我就出发. You go first, I'll leave in no time. So I'll leave shortly. 快点，火车就要开了. Hurry up, the train is about to start. So again, we're stressing that the train is leaving shortly, is leaving soon. The third case is to stress that 2 things happen one after another. Again, right after another. This time is really short. 吃完饭我就睡觉了. After eating, I went to bed. So as soon as I finished eating, I went to bed. So these 2 things is happening one after another. 你写完作业就来找我. As soon as you finish your homework, come find me. 回到家我就洗澡. As soon as I get to home, I will shower. The second scenario is when 就 is used in relation to quantity. The first one is very similar to the meaning of only, 只 in this case. For example, 我就有5块钱. I only have 5 RMB. 我就去过北京. I've only been to Beijing, not other places. 我就喜欢吃肉. I only like to eat meat, not anything else. The second case is to stress that the subject as a number is too small. Pay attention here, it can be a bit tricky. So let's see some examples. 我自己就吃了3碗饭. So in this sentence, you're stressing that I, as the only person, I have finished 3 bowls of rice. So me as the only person itself, in comparison to the 3 bowls, is such a small number. 改变一个字就能改变整句话的意思. Changing only one word can change the meaning of the whole sentence. So again, there's a comparison here. 他就讲了4个小时. 别人都没时间讲了. He alone has been talking for 4 hours and the rest of us had no time to speak at all. So again, you're comparing that he as the person alone in comparison to the 4 hours is too small of a number. You're stressing the subject. The third case is when 就 is used to stress, to emphasize something, to stress the tone. So for example, you can stress the preciseness of something. 前面就是我家. My house is just in the front. 这就是我喜欢他的原因. These are the exact reasons that I like him. When you're stressing the tones using 就, it's a bit like just in this case, or capitalization of a certain word or a verb. For example, 我就不信我写不完. I just don't believe I cannot finish. So you're stressing, you're capitalizing the don't. I don't believe. 你要我去，我就不去. You want me to go? I just don't go. I don't go. 你就不可以和别的女生吃饭。You just cannot have dinner with other girls. So again, you're stressing that you cannot in this case. The last case is to show causal relation between A and B. In this case, the meaning is very similar to as long as or as soon as. For example, 你开心就好. You will hear this line quite often. We say this a lot. It means as long as you're happy, everything's fine. Or that's all I'm asking. 老师进来，教室就安静了. As soon as the teacher walks in, the classroom becomes quiet. 我一喝咖啡就睡不着. Whenever I drink coffee, I cannot sleep. As long as I drink coffee, I cannot sleep. 想说什么就说什么. Whatever you want to say, say it. As soon as you have something to say, say it. And that is today's video covering 4 of the most commonly seen cases where you can use 就. Again, if you have any questions or if you know other usages of this word, please leave them down below. I'm Karen. See you guys next time. Bye.